A High Court order issued in South Africa has effectively grounded controversial businessman Chivhayo, barring him from accessing key assets, including his private jet, in a sweeping interim anti-dissipation ruling tied to an ongoing legal dispute. Sanapenda mashobra chinzi Chivhayo grounded. SA High Court freezes access to assets including private jet. You go subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The order, granted in the Gauteng Division of High Court in Pretoria on 23 April 2026, forms part of a case brought by Louis Sonja Matskanda. It targets Chivhayo as the first respondent in the ropes in a wide network of financial institutions and corporate entities as additional respondents, signaling the scale and seriousness of the asset preservation effort. At the center of the ruling is the revival of an earlier interim anti-dissipation order originally granted in January 2026. The court has now reinforced that order, effectively freezing Chivhayo's ability to move, dispose of, or access assets suspected to be at risk of being concealed or transferred. Critically, the order extends to high-level movable and immovable assets, a category understood to include luxury holdings such as private aircraft. This means Chivhayo's private jet, long associated with his high-profile displays of wealth, is now effectively out of reach pending further legal proceedings. The court has also issued a rule compelling Chivhayo and the listed respondents to appear and provide reasons by 15 June 2026 as to why the interim order should not be made final. Until then, the restrictions remain firmly in place. The inclusion of multiple major banks, the deeds of registry, and corporate entities suggest investigators and the applicant are pursuing a broad financial trail likely aimed at preventing any dissipation of funds across accounts, properties, or complex corporate structures. Doma developments aripo pangwa ineko nawe ya wiki no Chivhayo. Pena comment section medu zofungwa enyi matudipa msarpichitko ichi. So subscribe or like it, on the bell icon.